Imagine it is a 90-degree day, you are stuck in traffic, and suddenly your air conditioning starts blowing lukewarm air while the humidity begins to climb inside the cabin. That frustrating moment is usually when your car sets a P0537 code, which means the air conditioning evaporator temperature sensor circuit is reading a low voltage condition. This generic code is common in vehicles from Dodge and Ram to Chevy and Ford, and while it won't leave you stranded on the side of the road, it definitely ruins your driving experience. To understand this, think of your evaporator as the part that does the heavy lifting by turning fluid into gas to absorb heat from the cabin air. The engine control module needs to know exactly how cold that evaporator is getting so it can adjust the entire heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to keep you comfortable. When the sensor or its wiring sends back a signal that is lower than expected, the computer gets confused and might stop the compressor clutch from engaging entirely to prevent the system from icing up. Since this is purely a comfort issue, the severity is low, but if you value your sanity during a summer heat wave, you will want to jump on this quickly. You will likely notice the air temperature fluctuating, or the fan blowing air that just isn't cold anymore. The most common causes are a defective temperature sensor, a damaged evaporator core, or a simple wiring issue where a connector has wiggled loose or corroded over time. You can usually find this sensor tucked away inside the heater box under the dashboard, often near the evaporator itself. Sometimes you have to pop off a few plastic panels or even the radio to get to it. So be very careful, because prying on cold, brittle plastic is a surefire way to break a clip. A great pro tip is to use your multimeter to check the resistance of the sensor. These are typically resistor-type sensors, meaning the resistance changes based on the temperature. Compare your reading to the manufacturer's specifications in your service manual. If you see an open circuit or resistance that doesn't move when the temp changes, you have found your smoking gun. Also, check the wiring near the floorboards, as passengers' feet can sometimes kick the harness and cause an intermittent electrical connection that drives the engine control module crazy.